Students, last two class onwards we are discussing about the foreign policy of India, who is created and why that one need to in our country, and what was the achievements we done based on our foreign policy and objectives. So these are the matters we discussed in last two classes. So in this session, in this class, we are discussing next another 2 points. What was the achievements we done based on our foreign policy or based on objectives of our foreign policy. So in that first one here they given anti-apartheid policy. We are opposed, our country always they opposed anti-apartheid, means apartheid, means racial discrimination. So what is anti-apartheid policy? How Indian government they opposed? So these are the matters we are discussing in this session. So before that we want to know what is mean by apartheid. So here the given definition, apartheid means we are adopting a process. In that process here they given a race or people of a particular skin color to subjugated another race of the peoples to different skin in the name of the supremacy. Here they given by the name of race, by the name of the race means by the name of skin color, race in skin color based. One group they dominating to another group. So this only called as a apartheid. Apartheid means based on color domination or discrimination. So white skin peoples always they dominated black peoples. So this only called as a apartheid. We already were discussed in overall in our history. We already know who is majority of the peoples we can see in our world or in our earth, only black peoples. But only we can see small numbers of peoples, white peoples, they dominated black peoples. Best examples we can see last 1 month onwards, what was the incident is going on in USA. They also, white peoples, they dominating by black peoples. Not only they, we can see in other country also. Still now, black peoples they not getting any facilities. So India they always opposing the policy of apartheid. So here they given declaration also. What they given in that page here they given, no country of the world shall practice this. India always they saying, what they say, no one should follow the policy of apartheid. We also not give a encourage. Because of foreign policy they saying that one, we want to live as a coexistence, peaceful and coexistence. So on this based we should not do apartheid policy. Based, now we want to discuss if India they given any contribution to solve apartheid policy. Yes, India so they started by struggle against apartheid policy. One of the best example in South Africa, minority peoples of the white peoples, means they are comparing the black peoples, they are less numbers. So they started dominate against black peoples in South Africa. So on that time, India they given support to South Africa because of against apartheid policy. Means already we discussed, already India declared that no one should follow the policy of apartheid. So on this based, when they South Africa, the white peoples, when they started by domination against black peoples, so on the time India they given support to black peoples. So on that time Nelson Mandela, one of the important leader, he took the leadership and he started against apartheid policy. On that time India also given support and we got success also. So this is one of the important achievements of India's. So what our foreign policy is saying, what was the main objectives, on this based we done the work. We established coexistence in South Africa. So this is one of the important achievements of Indian government. So this one is one of the important point. Afterwards, next another point we are discussing now, next one achievement, that is disarmament. So what is this disarmament? Why we implemented, and next one we are discussing why we want to support disarmament policy or the process of disarmament. So before that, we want to know what is mean by disarmament. So here they given definition. What is meant by disarmament means here they given the process of elimination. Here they given elimination of specific arms step by step is called disarmament. So here they given definition. What is meant by disarmament? We want to eliminate the arms. That also specific arms. Which one is very most dangerous arms? That one we want to stop step by step. What we are producing, one of the dangerous weapons, that one we want to stop. What we are producing, that one we want to stop step by step. So this only called as a disarmament. That means now we want to show understood about the disarmament. Disarmament means not a fully productions what we are doing weapons, that one not a fully want to stop that, like not. Here they saying we want to stop weapons, what we are producing the weapons, that one we want to stop as a step by step. So next question now arises, why we want to encourage about disarmament, or why India supporting this one process? Because of already we are discussed in non-alignment movement. So after the Second World War, most of the countries they divided as the two groups, or they given encourage to two groups. Already we are discussed. One is Russia, second one is America. So when they given support, all the countries should give a protect to particular their country. They started arms productions. There are also plenty of arms. We cannot countable. So all the countries, what they got the income, they all are invested to productions of weapons. So when all the countries they given most of the countries they given only the importance about the production of weapons. So on the time the society, the overall of world society, they become as a fear, because they don't know when Third World War can start. They don't know, because of all the countries they interested only the productions of weapons, because on the time they all are thought that which countries have the most weapons, that country only developed country, or that country is strongest country in the world. So all the peoples they want to listen what they saying, that country, that only we want to listen. So this lack of situations is going on in our country, in our society, in our world society. So when these lack of problems they started, so on the time some of the massive bombs, that also one of the important bomb here they saying by nuclear bombs. So these also they started. These also here they say one of the important nuclear bombs. Some of the countries they given more importance to produce the nuclear bombs. This is one of the dangerous weapon in the world. And not only this one, here they saying once again same that like only. And here they given some of the country they worried, means they are thinking, what they are thinking means we want to do fight against any other country, because of we want to show our strength of weapons. So that like also some of them they started to fight against any other countries, that also indirectly. So when this like a fear society when they created after the Second World War, so India opposed this other policy, means productions of arms race. They oppose the arms race, because of already we are knowing India always they interested about peace. They always interested about to establish a peace. Because of we already discussed about the achievements of foreign policy. What was the achievements we done? All the achievements we done the way of peaceful. We are not implemented any violence method. So here also once again, when in world society one of the problems they arised about the productions of arms, on that time also India they successfully they given some of the contribution to stop the arm race, because of India peace loving country. So that only here they given. So as well as we are knowing that only here they given India, they say that to world community we want to stop the productions of arms. That also here they given. One is there they given qualitative and here they given quantitative. Quality also we want to reduce, means on that time we are produced so much of dangerous arms, so that's why we want to reduce that one quality also, and second one quantity, numbers of weapons. So both also we want to reduce it. So this about only India they given more importance. And not only this one, and next one they are saying, but what India told, we want to stop arms race by step, but this is not a easy way, because all the country they should not accept these are the matters, because of for them, for that particular country they want to protect, for them they need the weapons, not only others, India also. But India is saying that one we want to reduce quantitative and qualitative, not fully, we cannot stop fully productions of arms, but we can produce limit. So this like we want to stop arms race. This like only told by our Indian government or our foreign policy. So next one here they given. So same in this type, same in this way. We already told that only India always they interested about to establish peace in all over the world. So on this based our constitution in also we adopted one of the new rules, new act, that one we are saying here in article 51, they are advocating the foreign policy to establish international peace and cooperation against of arms race. So Indian government they implemented one of the new article because of to establish peace in not only in Indian society, we want to establish peace in all over the world. So on this based on the objectives of foreign policy, our government they implemented by international peace and coexistence on the based on article 51. This is one of the important achievements of Indian foreign policy. And next one here they given. So in this like only our external affairs minister, means here they given who are foreign affairs minister, they always they contributing about the foreign policy and to establish international peace and coexistence. For example, we can say any problems arised against any other countries with India, always who is solving or who is taking responsibility? External affairs minister or foreign affairs minister. Because of we already adopted in our article 51 international peace and coexistence. So on this based, if any enemy country, if they did any attack or if they did any tortures or they created any problems, who is there solving this one problem? External affairs minister. And not only this one, next year they are saying we want to, not only this one, we did some other achievements also based on foreign policy. Based on the foreign policy, here they given UNO. UNO also is one of the important objective, that is to establish peace and coexistence in all over the society. So on this based, India also they are given contribution. And next one here they are saying, and not only this one, we are peace loving country, so we have good relationship with other country also. So in that based, we members in some other organization also, because of to establish peace in other countries with also. For example, here they are saying that one is SAARC and Commonwealth nations. In that we are member. So in that organization in also we are given more importance about peace and coexistence. If any problems arise, if any incident is happening in that particular group or organization, India always taking the leadership and this focusing about to establish that one problems, to solve that one problems as a peaceful way. So in that manner only our Indian government or our foreign policy is working. And not only this one, in UNO also, in UNO, India is one of the member country in that organization. So in that country, in that membership in any countries, if the problems any problems they arise, so on that time also India, they taking the responsibility and they given some of the contribution to solve that one particular problems. So these are the important achievements of our Indian governments based on foreign policy. So one is we done Panchashila principle, second one anti-imperialism, next one anti-apartheid, and we discussed disarmament. So these are the important points about what was achievements we done based on the foreign policy. So next class we can discuss about next chapter. Okay, thank you.